Hi, my name is Ann Taylor, and I'm starting a small Jungian salon, the Symbolic Life Salon, where a small group of people come together to engage in discussion, reflection about the human psyche from a Jungian perspective. Now, Carl Jung said that humanity is hanging by a very thin thread, and that thread is the human psyche, and that it would really behoove people to engage and have an understanding, at least at some level, of what the psyche is. If this is of interest to you, you do not need to have a background or have read Jung. Coming with an open mind and intention to learn, grow, contribute. Everybody has important voice in the discussion. We begin in May, and I hope you can join. Some of the details are in the link. I've put together a web page so that you can have a little bit of an idea of what we're going to be doing. And it's going to be an organic process. Things that I put out at the beginning of each meeting will be starting points. But because of the nature of psyche, it may want to bring us in certain directions that are not part of any agenda. So we're totally open for that. If you're interested, send me an email, or if you have questions, and I'd love to have you there. Thank you.